My dear students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Number System for FSC Part 1. The first topic is imaginary numbers. So boys, what are imaginary numbers? Square root of a negative number, square root of a negative number is called imaginary number. So we can write iota equal minus 1 square root. Squaring both sides, square is cancelled by square root. Iota square equal to minus 1. Always keep it in your mind that iota square is equal to minus 1. So case 1. When power of iota is an even number. For example, 2 power 2n. 2 power 2n. It can be written as 2 power iota power 2n is equal to iota power 2 whole power n. So boys, the value of iota square is minus 1 whole power n. Now we can write it the value of minus 1 power n will be positive 1 if n is even. And the value of minus 1 power n is negative 1 if n is odd. So iota power 2n is equal to plus 1 if n is even, and iota power 2n equal minus 1 if n is odd. Case number 2. When power of iota is an odd number, iota power 2n plus 1 is equal to iota power 2n multiply iota. Simple steps. You can write iota power 2 whole power n multiply iota. Iota scale, its value is minus 1 whole power n multiply iota. Now the value of minus 1 power n, it depends on the value of n. So it will be plus iota if n is even, and it will be minus iota if n is odd. So boys, some examples. Example number 1, calculate iota power 9 iota power 2. In every question, you have to write iota power 2. Now you have to find the multiple of 2 that is very near to 9. So for the 8, So write here 8. 2 for the 8, remaining 1 iota. Now the value of iota square is -1 whole power 4 multiply iota. Now you can see this is even number. When power is even, then negative becomes positive. So simply write 1 iota. No need to write 1, simply write iota. Any confusion wise, is it clear? So example number 2. Calculate iota power 12. So write iota power 2. In every question you have to write like this. Iota power 2. Now multiple of 2 which is very near to 12. 2 6 are 12. So the value of iota square, it is -1 whole power 6. Now you can see power is even. When power is even, then negative becomes positive. So it becomes +1. No need to write 1 plus 1, simply write 1. Example number 3. Calculate iota power 101. 101. Iota power 2 in every question. Iota power 2. Now multiple of 2 that is very near to 101. It is 50. 2 multiply 50, it becomes 100 and remaining 1 iota. So it becomes -1 power 50 multiply iota. -1 power 50. Power is even. So negative becomes positive. +1 multiply iota. So write simply iota. One more example. Example number 4. Calculate iota power 100. So iota power 2 in every question. So multiple of 2 which is very near to 100 or equal to 100. So 50. 2 multiply 50, it becomes 100. Iota square, its value is -1 whole power 50. 50 is an even number, so negative becomes positive. +1. No need to write plus, simply write 1. Some important tricks. Trick number 1. Sum of 4 consecutive powers of iota is 0. Example. Example number 1. Show that iota power 16 plus iota power 17 plus iota power 18 plus iota power 19 equal to 0. Consecutive powers, you can see iota power 16, 17, 18, 19 without any gap, and addition is there. So we have to prove its answer is 0. So left hand side, iota power 16 plus iota power 17 plus iota power 18 plus iota power 19. So in every question you can write iota square. 2 power something is equal to 16, 2 8 is 16. In the same way, iota power 2, 2 8 is 16 and remaining is 1 iota, becomes 17. Iota power 18, iota square 2 9 is 18 plus iota power 2, 2 9 का 18 multiply 1 iota. So minus 1 whole power 8 plus minus 1 iota square means minus 1. Its value is minus 1 whole power 8 multiply iota plus minus 1. The value of iota square is minus 1 whole power 9 plus iota square minus 1 whole power 9 multiply iota. So minus 1 power 8, power is even, negative becomes positive, plus 1, minus 1 power 8, power is even number, so negative becomes positive, plus 1 iota. Minus 1 power 9, power is odd, it becomes minus 1. Minus 1 power 9, power is odd, it becomes minus 1 into iota. Minus 1 iota. So boys, right here 1 plus iota minus 1 minus iota. Iota is cancelled by minus iota, plus 1 is cancelled by minus 1. So result is 0. So it is proved that if powers are consecutive and sum is given, then its answer it will be 0. Trick number 2. When both negative numbers in square root, do not multiply them. Example, square root minus 3 multiply square root minus 5. So we have to write in this example, minus 3 can be written as minus 1 multiply 3 multiply minus 5 can be written as minus 1 multiply 5. Now we can separate minus 1 multiply square root 3 multiply square root minus 1 multiply square root 5. So the value of minus 1 square root is iota square. Iota square. So the value of square root minus 1 is iota. Iota multiply square root 3 multiply iota multiply square root 5. Iota multiply iota, it becomes minus, it becomes iota square. Multiply square root 3 multiply 5. So iota square is minus 1 square root 15. Simply you can write minus square root 15. So boys, this is the introduction, very simple and easy introduction. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start the topic complex number. Thank you very much.